Pitman Shorthand exercise number 129 dictation speed 100 per minute start. Gentlemen, as a consequence of your inconsistent conduct in the matter of our contract, we are compelled in self-defense to state that unless you can complete the order by the end of the month, the business must at once be transferred, as the delays which have occurred have placed us in considerable difficulties, para at our interview in September, when you signified your willingness to undertake the contract, you were confident that you could deliver half the goods by the end of October and the balance by the 1st of December, para. These conditions were not compiled with so far as the first part of the agreement was concerned, and on our complaining about the unnecessary delay, you stated that the whole would be delivered by December, It is now the 14th, and in the interval we have communicated with you on several occasions without the desired results, We have come to the conclusion that future contacts should be placed with one of your competitors, The significance of this should not be lost upon you, and it will be to your advantage to fulfill your obligations without further delay, Yours truly,